everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to show you an easy way to fold a sari. Whether you are beginner or an experienced sari wearer, this technique will help you fold your sari quickly and neatly. So let's get started. First, lay out your sari on a flat surface. Make sure the pallu, the decorative end of the sari, is on your left hand side. Next, fold the sari in half lengthwise, bringing the pallu towards the center of the sari. Now fold the sari in half otherwise again, bringing the other end toward the center of the sari. Fold the sari in half one more time, this time bringing the bottom edge up toward the top edge. Now fold the sari in half one more time, bringing the bottom edge up toward the top edge again. Finally fold the sari in half one last time, bringing the bottom edge up toward the top edge. Your sari is now folded and ready to be stored or worn. You can also use this technique to bake your sari for travel. Finally, hang the hanger in your closet or wardrobe, and sari is now neatly stored and ready to wear. And that's it. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any question and comment, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching my video. Till then, bye, take care.